Extraction, the process of obtaining materials from the natural environment. Extraction is the foundation step in the material economy, providing the necessary resources for production and manufacturing. Production, the transformation of raw materials into finished product through manufacturing processes. This involves combining shaping and processing materials. Production adds value to raw materials by creating goods that can be used by consumers, driving economic growth and industrial environment. Distribution, the logistics involved in transporting and storing products after they are manufactured, ensuring they reach retailers to end users. Efficient distribution networks are crucial for making product available to consumers, impacting supply chain performance and market accessibility. Consumption, the pace where consumers purchase and use product. This includes all consumers' behavior related acquiring, using, benefiting from goods. Consumption drives economic demand, influencing product practices and the overall material economy. Consumer choice can also impact sustainability initiatives. Waste management and recycling. The process involved in the disposal of waste materials and the recycling of products to recover valuable materials and minimize environmental impact. Effective waste management and recycling reduce the demand for new raw materials, lower environmental pollution, and contribute to a circular economy by promoting resource efficiency and sustainability. These 5 processes form the backbone of the material economy, shaping how materials are sourced, utilized, and eventually disposed of. Understanding this process is essential for promoting sustainable practices and minimizing the environmental impact of material use.